How to change your receiving country on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your receiving country on Remitly, and here is how to go about it. It is very simple. The first step is signing into your Remitly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see some options. You can see Remitly by the top left corner, that is the Remitly logo. And then you can see send money, transfer history, refer friends, and then by the right side you can see a welcome address. So once you can see all of this under the send money tab, you would see that this is the default sending country, and then this is the receiving country. To change this, the major thing to do is to move to the top right side of the screen, click on your welcome address, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, under the profile information, scroll down until you can see setting to. The country displayed here is the receiving country. And to change this, click on edit, click on the drop down arrow, and then go ahead and select the country that you like to change it to. Okay, could be Senegal, for example. Click on save, and then once you click on save, the Remitly page would load automatically for the change to be effected. All right, so by the time you go back to send money now, it will no longer be Nigeria but Senegal. So this is how you can change your receiving country on Remitly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.